In yesterday's video, I roamed around BGC and I pointed out a couple condos under the 30k price range. And in today's video, I'm actually going to take you inside some of these units and show you what they look like. And the first condo that we're going to visit is along 34th Street from Avida. I'm good, how are you? Oh, shout out. Mark, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Working hard, yeah? Hardly working?
These are famous.
Oh, a little. Okay, so welcome to the first unit in today's video. This is it. It's located on the 21st floor and the asking price is 30,000 pesos. And look how big these windows are. It's almost floor-to-ceiling windows, but on just half the side because the other side is dedicated for the box type AC, which is from Media there. Don't know if they're inverters, but they're kind of like a new brand. They're not very efficient. You know, you do get your electricity bills kind of averaging higher than the more known brands like Panasonic. We've got a sofa here, 3-seater sofa, made out of leather. There's no tears, there's no cracks. Very comfortable, very wide. We do have a very small TV there. That looks like it's 32 inches, if not maybe 24 inches. So maybe a request for a bigger TV would be possible. We've got a coffee table there. We've got a bedside table positioned in the corner. Don't know why it should be there. It should be in the bedroom. We also have a 4-seater dining table or kitchen in the corner that doesn't take up too much space. A fridge with plenty of cabinets here for storage. And this is going for 30k. Now let me take you onto the bedroom. This is the bedroom here. We've got a queen size bed in here, I believe, with a Mandaway foam spring mattress. Look at that. Does it say what size? No, but it's got 5 years warranty on it. And it looks like it's in top condition. I don't see any stains on it or nothing. It might even be brand new. I don't know if this unit was previously tenanted or not. We've got blinds. The blinds are a bit too long, but it's got this nice material. It's made out of cotton, I think. And we've got a view over the amenities. Look at that. It's not bad. I mean, you don't get direct sunlight pointing in here too much, so you don't have to use the AC a lot. And this is the unit. The terms for this unit are 2+2. Okay, welcome to the second unit. This unit has a bit more furniture, same price, same terms. But rather than it being a dedicated sofa, this is a sofa bed that clicks down. These sofa beds are less comfortable than an actual dedicated sofa because of the filling and the way it's shaped. But we've got a bigger TV on the wall there, which looks like it's 42 inch, another coffee table, a 4-seater dining table. The kitchen is tucked in the corner again, but the bed is smaller, you see? I think this is maybe a double rather than a queen bed, and it looks like it has been used a little bit more than the previous unit. There was a tenant for this unit that recently just moved out. The previous unit has actually been empty for about 2 years. So you might be able to get the previous unit for 25k, as the owner may be desperate to find a tenant. And yeah, and this is it. I mean, a lot more furnishing. You can see the tenant has left some stuff over which would need clearing. But the previous tenant apparently was paying 30k as well. We've got a washer there too, and a shower. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to get this for 25 or not, but it's still in the 30k bracket range. On to the next. Okay, welcome to the third unit, which is located, I think, on the 9th floor. Now this unit is way nicer than the previous two that we've seen. It's a little bit more interior. We've got this giant mirror here with a dining table right next to it there. We've got a nice sofa with a few throw-on pillows, a small little chair in the corner right by the window with another throw pillow, TV console there with a Hisense, I think 32 maybe, yeah, 32 inch TV, something like that. And look at the view. You've got a view over Laguna de Bay. It's unhindered. There's nothing in front of you blocking it, which is really nice, really fantastic. The asking price is 35k, but they're willing to let it go for 30, which is great, right? They've got a ceiling fan with a light here. We've got spotlights on the ceiling too. We'll take you onto the bedroom. There's more spotlights here as well. We've got a double-sized mattress, a nice grey headboard and bed frame. We've got a little bookshelf on the right there, which looks rather stylish, and more decently sized windows in the corner here with unhindered views once again. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's Park Triangle there. Look at that. That's great. And look at this wardrobe. This isn't standard. They've bought this for 30k. I think it's really well priced. And look, they've even put some throw pillows here as well. And the agent tells me that this has been empty for about a year. So I'm trying to negotiate it further down because already it's priced very well. But if you could get this for 27, 28k, I think you've got yourself a fantastic condo in BGC for a very good price. Okay, welcome to the fourth unit, which is now actually in the Montaigne. All the previous units that we were looking at were located in the 34th Avida. And the Montaigne features almost floor-to-ceiling windows. They all have Panasonic inverter units, which are super efficient. We've got a kitchen in the corner there, laid out very, very beautifully. Dining table here in the center, a sofa from Landmark. All of the furniture in this unit is brand new, as the owner recently purchased it and fully furnished it. So there's never been a tenant here before. We've got a Sharp TV, I think it's 50-inch, with a TV console underneath. We'll go on to the bedroom. As you can see, a brand new mattress. It's still in its plastic packaging, and a brand new bed frame in this grey color with a headboard and a view over BGC. The view in this unit is also really, really nice. You get that skyline view over 36th Street, which I think connects to the C5. SNR is over there, Globe Tower's in front of us. You get a view of the Shangri-La and the suites, and you have this massive green space right down beneath you as well. And this unit is going for 35k a month, 2+2. Alright, welcome to the fifth and final unit in today's video. Once again, it's in the Montaigne, and it's probably the best furnished unit of all the ones we've seen in today's video. It's around about 36 square meters. The asking price is 40k, but speaking with the agent, he says he might be able to give it away for 38k a month. So it's a bit above the 30k budget, but look what you get. You get a 50-inch Samsung TV with this sort of marble backsplash. You get a floating TV console, a large sofa here. That's a three-seater. Is it comfortable? Yes, it's rather quite comfortable. I don't know why it's positioned in this corner. It'd be better if it was positioned here, but then where would you leave the dining table? It would be really nice to have a wall art here maybe, but it's got spotlights on the ceiling there. It's got ambient LED lights tucked behind this tray ceiling, which is custom with more spotlights going along it. So this place feels quite bright because of all the lights in here. This is the bedroom, and look at the headboard on this. This is beautiful. Nice grey fabric headboard with ambient light tucked in the back to enhance the mood of the bedroom. It's a full queen size bed and mattress. We've got, once again, those tray ceilings, plenty of spotlights, and the main center light. The wardrobe, wow, look at that. Going for this cream and black theme. Plenty of storage space tucked in the corner there. This is the kitchen. I think this is pretty much standard. I'm pretty sure these tiles come as standard, but it's very nice and clean, very spacious. Quite a big kitchen for these Avida units. And then we'll take you onto the bathroom, which is beautiful. Look at this. Fully renovated bathroom of this sort of emulated marble tiling. The mirror is custom with ambient lights in the back. We've got a washer in the corner here. There's plenty of space. The sink is rather stylish, as well as a tap. We've got some storage cabinets underneath here. Oh, we can't forget to mention the view. You've got a Grand Hyatt view, which looks rather cool when you're looking out the window from here. Just the fact that it says a Grand Hyatt there. And then there's a street view along 8th Avenue. The ACs are from Colin, full DC inverters, so they're very efficient. And I think this unit is probably the best looking one of them all, but it is slightly higher in price, about 8k more. Before I wrap up today's video here, I just want to show you the amenities of the Montaigne, because I don't think I've ever featured it. And when I used to live in One Uptown, which is just next door, I used to always look onto these amenities, and they look fantastic, and they are. This is my first time being here, and look at this infinity edge pool. The water runs right off the corner there, and it's beautiful. What a large pool. It looks like it's maybe 15 to 20 meters in length, about 10 to 15 meters across. It's a nice rectangle shape to do laps. We've got an outdoor shower here, Wow, this is really, really nice. And then there's a kiddies pool just there, as well as a little playground for kids to play on. Based on the way the pool looks, I would use that pool quite a lot. And then this is the gym. Small gym, right? Not very big at all. And there's not a lot of equipment either, but nice view. Okay. Well folks, that was a jam-packed video. We saw 5 different units, 3 of them located in the 34th Avida and the other 2 located in the Montaigne, also by Avida. 4 of the units at around about 30k price range, and we had 1 unit which was really well interiorited, going for 38k. Folks, if you are interested in any of the condos you saw in today's video, hit the email in the description below. But I'm going to wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.